Welcome back to my channel. Oh, God, this has a mess. But today I'm going to do another mukbang. I did a poll on Instagram. See if I could ask them if they wanted to see them. What is this? Mukbang, mukbang.
Mukbang.
Sarah never says it right.
Mukbang.
But y'all said mukbang, mukbang. So I got some chips. And some hamburgers. Oh, and a sweet. Don't know what we're talking about today. But I'm hungry.
Talking about some chips.
This shit's from my butthole.
Still eating.
Because they're good. One. Oh, I've been craving these. But y'all, I'm starving to death. Oh, get that pickle off. I don't like it. Should I put chips on this?
Right.
Or I'll try a little experiment.
Tell McDonald's to make it their new burger.
Oh my god. Cause Taco Bell had flaming hot Cheetos.
Tell McDonald's to get Taki burgers.
If it's good, if not good, I'm...
I don't think it's good anyway. It's not like Takis. Good.
It tastes like a pickle.
Would you just tell me get your pickle off?
That's because it's slimy. I haven't fixed my bench yet. I didn't even show my burger.
So burger, check it out.
Oh, because look, that was good on it. Mmm. Yum. Y'all don't talk about though. So it's gonna be me eating.
Upcoming and They're new.
Oh my god, Frozen 2's coming out. November.
November.
Oh my god, I want to watch it.
I saw the trailer yesterday whenever it came out.
I saw it this morning when I woke up.
It was interesting to me though.
But it's Frozen. You have to watch it. Duh.
I'm ready for scary movies.
I was gonna go camping Friday. But then I started talking about the Tongolans and all the. I was afraid. I said no. I said I'll change my mind.
They'll be alright. They'll be people there to protect you.
From demons?
You find them in here.
I found myself in here.
Maybe you'll like some.
Did I tell you that one time? I don't turn this way because I can talk to you, but I think it's something. I woke up with a handful of hair. Because I had another dream. It was like not like this. It was like a handful.
Well, you have.
I did. But I didn't wake up hurting or nothing. It might not even be my hair.
He's pulling hair from another dimension.
My room's cold. Everybody sleeps in here or stays here because my room's connected to two other rooms. Everybody says it's too cold for them, so they leave.
You better not sleep.
Turn it off. I see inside your phone.
Yeah, I dropped it. Look. Because I dropped it and it won't go
Let me
back.
see this. Sarah broke her phone.
Anybody want to donate?
I can see it. Y'all can't see it.
Okay.
Just know it's broke.
Yeah, the screen is sticking out.
There ain't nothing else to talk about.
There's always something to talk about.
McDonald's food tastes the best.
I'm ready for fall.
What happened when we went swimming yet?
I know.
Hayden was talking about the fair.
Mm.
I don't go to the fair. That's just me though.
You need to do another poll.
Huh?
You need to do another poll on who likes to go to the fair and who don't. Why don't you like to go to the fair?
It's wasting money to me. It is. Don't you think so? Like, once you've been to it so many times, it's just the same old junk over and over again.
Now, when I was younger, at the fair, I can remember plain as day getting up and thinking it's fair week because I went every night. Like, it's fair week, and I'm spending all day fixing my hair, picking out my clothes, and doing my nails and sun tanning, and going to the fair that night. Even before I could drive, my daddy would drop me off at the gate, and I'd go in, meet up with all my friends. I just thought this was the biggest thing. I was running through the fair by myself, you know. I thought it was cool.
I think I'm about to get stolen.
Huh?
I'm afraid I'm about to get stolen if I was by myself.
They may probably throw you back.
You don't know about that.
Yeah.
I'll start thinking.
You don't just tell them your necessities. Say, if you're going to kidnap me, I've got to have Takis. I have to have sweet tea. I have to have plenty of pop. Chips, other kind of chips. On pies, you got to have, you know, my pies.
My brownie.
Your brownie, yeah, I'm going to have that. Just start naming off everything you got to have. Say, I got to have Wi-Fi where I'm at.
I gotta make a living because you do my job now, girl.
So, I mean, you've got to let me provide this some YouTube and some Wi-Fi. I got to have good lighting. A selfie stick. If you can provide
It's gotta be
all
cold.
this, yeah, it's got to be cold. And if you can provide all this, then you can go ahead and
This
kidnap
is
me.
take me.
But if not, then you probably want to leave me here because you don't want to see me without all that stuff.
When I'm
I'll
mad,
probably leave you alone.
when I'm mad, there's no calming me down.
I just walk off.
When I start screaming, Sarah's like, nope. I'm mad.
Okay. Bye.
So, I was supposed to go to the dentist today, right?
Overbooked.
Everybody, sorry, we overbooked. We can get you in July. No, sis, no, you won't. I made another appointment somewhere else. I'm having issues.
My back is itching me bad. My little dimples, right above my back dimples.
You know none of this is edited, right?
They can't hear me.
Yeah, they can't. You're just whispering like this.
Oh,
You're loud, but you're just softening your voice. I don't want to edit my videos no more. What's the point?
True that. I used to think it all the time. That was my cool word. True that.
I say true a lot.
I said true that. True that.
Because when I text somebody and they say, da 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 da, funny this, funny that, I say true.
You know what I mean too.
You want half of this burger?
No. Let's see.
Sarah's gonna eat half this burger.
Sarah's gonna throw it.
You have some else right here too. Here.
I don't want that.
Get in this video with me.
Uh-uh.
Sarah's gonna make an entrance in this video.
No, I'm not. I ain't had no.
Come
makeup
on. It don't matter. This is supposed to be true that. Sit out of here. You're gonna eat half this burger. Sarah got the nasty pickle off. You don't have to put nothing on yours. Unless you want more ketchup.
It's a hot mess.
Unless you want more ketchup.
Ugh. Look at my hair. It's a mess.
They can't see you.
They can see my hair. Look at that mess. Andrew wasn't prepared. What did you prepare me for?
I thought you didn't want to eat that.
I'm a fat girl and just saying food plan don't work for me.
Mm.
I If I wasn't so fat, I'd have really good cheekbones.
Oh! They're on my lip. When I got home, I had to put more ice on this look.
I'm sorry.
And let's talk about Takis, how ridiculous price they are. $4
Ew.
for a bag of chips. $4.
I won't buy that.
But they are really good, though. Maybe that's why they're $4. Have you noticed I'm a messy eater? We're gonna talk about something in the future. Me and Sarah are gonna do a video where we get our eyebrows microbladed.
Yes. I need to see, these look pretty good.
I can get one when I get my nose pierced too. We're gonna do a video about that too. I want my nose pierced. I have to know.
Hi, honey. How are you today? No, I don't know. Just kind of runny nose. Just kind of keep it all up there. All the time. Yep, all the time.
Him kill me for giving me the idea of it. I say, she should just sit there and done it herself.
I am going to get my dias pierced for my headaches.
Your what?
Dias.
I thought you said my diarrhea pierced.
My dias. This thing right here for my migraines.
I'm cold.
There's also another place you can get pierced that's supposed to control appetite.
If you're not in, you can leave if you want.
Thank you. I'm camera shy.
I'm not. Oh, wait. I don't know about something else. YouTube, I won this little Facebook group, right? For YouTube stuff, And they all say stuff for stuff. No, don't stuff for stuff. That's the biggest mistake you ever make in your life. Because they subscribe to you, and like 2 days later they unsubscribe.
I'm not recommend.
Yeah, I did it once, and that's it. No more. So I unsubscribed to them too. What sweet tea do you like the best? Besides McDonald's.
Restaurant wise?
Mm-hmm. I like Lay's.
Lay's. Now.
Burger King's. I worked at Burger King.
Now Wendy's sometimes they used to have like the flavored teas, like strawberry sweet tea and stuff. So good.
I can't drink that.
Oh, so good. Right now they have the best strawberry lemonade. Not Minute Maid, all natural.
I was about to say, what was tea made out of? But never mind. We're gonna do a Sonic Mukbang.
Yes. Sonic, here we come.
Friday.
Okay.
Not this Friday, next Friday.
Next Friday. Next Friday. A week from Friday, Sonic.
Not gonna go.
I'm sorry.
Did I tell you when I came home, I went to sleep? Right? Straight to sleep. Woke up at 4:30 in the morning.
Have you been up ever since? I'm just going home to bed.
I feel good.
I need a nap.
I haven't gotten time for no nap.
I got a nap right today. Ugh, that looks just really.
We need to order my spicy noodles to the spicy noodle challenge.
Have fun with that.
I think you need to start sitting in front of me. Like, put your chair up there in front of me so I can talk to you.
Now I feel like I'm doing. And you know I don't like eye contact.
No, I feel like I'm always talking this way and never talking this way.
Look, that I am in front of you.
Okay. I'm done eating. And I ain't got nothing else to talk about.
What are you doing?
Bye, guys.